In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find config in Firestore. By the end, you'll know exactly where to locate your Firebase configuration for the app that uses Firestore, so you can initialize your SDK with confidence. Start by opening the Firebase console in your browser and signing in. Make sure you're in the correct project. You'll see the project name at the top of the console. On the left-hand sidebar, look for Project Overview. Click that to land on the main dashboard for your project. From here, locate your app in the Overview area. If you have multiple apps registered, you'll see cards for web, iOS, or Android. Choose the app you're working with, specifically the web app if you plan to use the JavaScript SDK. Click the app's card to focus on it. Next, head to the Settings gear icon near the Project Overview section. Click the gear and choose Project Settings. This opens the settings area where all your core project information lives. If it isn't already selected, click the General tab at the top. That's where you'll find your app configuration. Scroll to the Your Apps section. You should see the app you selected, along with options to view different setup methods. Look for the Config option. Clicking Config reveals the Firebase configuration snippet tailored to this app. The snippet you see is your Firebase config object. It includes public identifiers such as the API key, auth domain, project ID, storage bucket, messaging sender ID, app ID, and sometimes a measurement ID. These values tell the SDK which project and app to talk to. While these keys are intended to be used on the client side and aren't secrets in the traditional sense, you should still avoid sharing them casually or committing them to public repositories. Use the copy button provided to grab the entire snippet in one click. You'll paste this object into your application wherever you initialize Firebase, typically right before creating your Firestore instance. If you maintain separate environments, keep a copy for each environment's app to avoid mixing development and production settings. If you don't see your app listed, double-check that you're in the right project or that you selected the web platform. Also confirm you have the necessary permissions in the console to view project settings. That's it. You navigated to the Firebase console, open project settings, and use the General tab to find and copy the config for your app. With that in place, you're ready to initialize Firebase and connect to Firestore correctly.